We interrupt your current broadcast to bring you the emergency broadcast system. Civil authorities in conjunction with the Department of Supernatural Phenomena have issued an alert to all citizens in your area. After approximately 10:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, it is reported that an unknown caller has begun calling all phone numbers in the Wyoming area that began with even numbers. It is unknown at this time what may be causing this strange phenomenon, but it is urged that you do not pick up the phone. Approximately 2,000 people have been reported missing, and this number is presumed to go up as time progresses. Please.
Hello?